Welcome to Chauncey Square, West Lafayette, your sleek, modern launchpad to student life that blends comfort, safety, and just the right dose of fun. Choose from stylish 1, 2, 3, or 4-bedroom apartments loaded with features. Think closet organizers, full-sized beds, steel front doors with deadbolt locks, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, washer, coffee table, and a sectional sofa. Now, outside your room, oh, it only gets better. Hit the 24-hour rec center with billiards, shuffleboard, and arcade games, or power up at the fitness center. Chill in the private balcony lounge? Need to study? The Academic Success Center with IMAX and Media is your go-to. Plus, internet, trash, safety patrols, and on-call staff are all sorted. Nestled just steps from Purdue University and Indiana University School of Medicine, West Lafayette Chauncey Square is surrounded by top eateries. You have everything just a few steps away. Catch the Wiggin Street or River Road and Howard Avenue bus stops, all a quick stroll away. Book now at amberstudent.com because smart living starts here.